Well, YouTubers, good morning once again. Here's a second video. This just came in on the hotline, believe it or not, hot topic of the day. So stick around, we got some B-roll for you, so do stand by. Well, welcome back to the channel once again. There's subscribers and non-subscribers. It's good to see you all back here once again. Let's go ahead and just get started with this. Looks like Nvidia says it's unlaunching the 12GB RTX 4080 after some backlash from different outlet sources. The Nvidia 12GB RTX 4080 model won't launch until next month following criticism over its naming pricing. Nvidia is now launching its RTX 4080 16GB model in November. So we don't know if they're going to be bringing the 12GB model back or not, or if they're going to bring it back at a different name, which we're thinking might happen. So we're going to stick around and find out where this is going to lead us when it comes to the naming of the 4080 card. If they're going to take the 12GB 4080 and move it down to the 4070 or not, they probably will. So more to come on that story, but right now the hot topic is the 4080 16GB. Alongside a much more powerful 16GB model, Nvidia now admits it messed up with the naming. That's what a lot of people are saying, because it's messed up with the naming and everything else, but you know how that goes. I mean, why would you name two of the same cards, two the same card, two different names, or the same card with one different name, or same name, different amount of VRAM, and different amount of performance? It was too much. But anyway, the RTX 4080 12GB is fantastic graphic card, but it's not named right. Says that in the Nvidia blog post, having two GPUs with the same name is very confusing. So now Nvidia is pausing the launch for the 12GB RTX 4080 model, but will it go ahead with the launch with a 16GB version on November the 16th? So everybody was waiting to see if it was going to launch on time. It's not going to launch on time. Just let you know, Nvidia's got to push back a little bit to reconfigure the naming and do all their sorts. But if you're gonna, and when the 4080 16 gigs comes out, are you gonna pay $1,200 for it? That's gonna be the question too, because with the 16GB on the 4080, you got the 3090 at about $900. Okay, so your 30 series cards are still a cheaper way to go if you're deciding you want to buy a graphics card for yourself. The price is coming down on the 30 series, so do watch out for that. You better watch out. Because if we go and we look at the prices for the 30 series cards, they're ranging between $700 and $1,200, depending on what source you're buying it from. So if you're looking to buy a card You can definitely, if you want to get it used from eBay, that's up to you. But priced at, I don't think anybody in their right mind is going to pay $1,200 for a card, especially, one that you got the 4090 gang busting out at what it's doing, and then you got the 4080 at 16 gigabytes doing about, they had on the charts about maybe half or three-quarter of the way to the 4090. So it depends on what you want. Me, I'm gonna take and right now, and I'm gonna save my money up for the 30 series and get me a couple 30 series cards, and then test them out and everything else, and then wait until after the first of the year to decide if I'm gonna buy a 40 series card. Or I'm going to wait to see what AMD has as well. AMD's got a launch coming up very soon, so it's best to wait for the launch to come out for that. But anyway, this is just a quick tech tip, hot news, hot topic announcement for you all right here on the channel. So do stay tuned for more, and if there's more hot topics coming out, I will be more than happy to let you know. This is JJ, your boy. Like and subscribe, and like I'm going to say again, we're working towards getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. We still got a long way to go, but we're going to keep making videos for y'all. We're going to keep going, and we're just going to keep pressing on until we reach that mark, and then after that we'll set new goals. But in the meantime, we're just working with the information we have at hand, and we will be doing builds in the future as well, so do stick around for that. But we're just giving you the information we have at hand. Right now, none of the companies reached out to me yet, but in time they will, especially me putting out news and everything else about their products and everything else, So when they start reaching out, I'll be able to do more on this channel. As soon as we get the channel above the requirements for YouTube, the channel will get more popular and it will keep growing. And that's the whole idea, is to keep growing. So again, like and subscribe. We're going to go ahead and get out of here. So until the next video, we will see you the next time.